First time ever I felt my heart the way I felt it. Christine was talking to me like sentences which I really needed to hear. She told me, "You are loved. Let your heart love you." And even now when I say this, I have the tears in my eyes. And she placed her arms on my heart and I felt it, and I still now these days I keep repeating that to myself. She was really here and now, really true, really present, really realistic, and it allowed me and all of us to be the same. And I felt like everything is welcomed. We are like just living to the full this present moment. This is the way she holds space. My biggest takeaway I had was actually the feeling, the experience which I could experience and feel inside me when Christine was talking directly to me. Went through my experience and nervous system and stayed to actually feel or realize that I can be loved by my own heart. She's loved. If you are struggling with something and you really want to be loved, or you feel ashamed or scared, I would recommend really a lot Christine